their end, no dark is right. Because their words had fought no lightning, they do not go gentle into that good night. Rage, rage against the dying of the light.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another bike video log. My name is Leopold, I live in Amsterdam, and I'm creating content to raise the awareness of the locals and the internet. I'm trying to share my experience with others and help as much as possible based on my experience by sharing. I had a aha moment 2 days ago. I was at a live concert and I was realizing that your voice is the most important thing that you can use to create reality by speaking it into existence. So during our childhood, I think we're wired to learn different things and believe certain stuff. Kids are programmed by their parents genetically 50%, and of course during your lifetime you develop your own way of thinking 50%. The thing is that doing a thing one after another, developing a habit of doing certain stuff puts you into a blind state, in my opinion. You think you know things, but you limit yourself into believing that those things are the only one real available. So I'm a bit hot here. As I was saying, believing something all your life can limit you into staying in one place, doing the same things, being unhappy about your present moment, being unconscious about your existence. So you're gonna do all life something, then of course something that will put you out of the comfort zone will make you conscious, and you'll realize, oh wait, I lived all my life based on some beliefs, and something will dematerialize your materialism paradigm, and you'll be, holy shit, I was sleeping all my life, and you'll think you'll not have time to do something else. This is what happens, I think, with I don't know, elder people, 60, 70, 80 years old, that retire and don't have a purpose anymore. No, that's not true. You have a purpose until you're gonna die, for real. If you already choose not to have one, I think you'll die faster. That's why I think it's better to constantly engage in short-term purposes, short-term goals, and long-term goals. For example, you want to eat better, right? You want to have a cleaner diet. I don't know, you want to eat less fast food. I'm not saying from eating McDonald's and French fries every day, you're gonna start eating salads the next day because you choose to, and you're so strong that nothing can stop you. I mean, congrats if you can do that. But when I was quitting meat, first thing first, I quit pork, even though I didn't eat that much pork, but I was eating processed meat made with ham, which is made of pork. So I quit pork, then beef, then chicken, then turkey, then fish. Now I'm still eating sometimes cheesy stuff that contain dairy. I'm not drinking milk, I'm not eating eggs anymore, but I'm still sometimes have a little snack or a piece of pizza with some cheese. But I'm transitioning to be full plant-based diet. This thing doesn't come easy. It starts with transitioning slowly, by just changing a pattern. So if you wanna be more aware of your environment, I suggest you to change a bit your habits that made you be what you are. If you're not satisfied with your present moment, of course. If you're satisfied, then good for you. Congrats. Try to help other people to be satisfied with their stuff. So life is just perspective, right? That means that if you have 2 legs and 2 arms, you're already too lucky. You're already lucky enough, I must say, to do what you really want to do, to achieve what state of mind you want to achieve. So getting up in the morning, it's very important. But the most important thing, if you get up in the morning and start with the positive mind, with the positive thinking, with the optimistic way of seeing things, because that's how you will dictate your day. If you start your morning just I don't know, checking social media and see all that I don't know, good life on social media, and think about your life that is not that good. You're gonna be a bit I know, depressed in the first part of the day. You're gonna think that you're not enough, which is not true. You're whole. You can do whatever it takes, and whatever it takes, it's your willpower. Your willpower dictates your reality. So what I think makes people anxious and depressed is thinking about too many stuff that literally makes your brain not aware, mind, body, everything. Just breathing or biking makes you be in the present moment, which is awareness, a state of mind that can literally bright your day up. Whew. Yeah, I love biking because it keeps me constantly in a state of awareness, which is the flow state. The state where you can work in your full potential, where you don't really think, you're just doing. And this is where the magic happens. By the way, this content is just a small part of the mind, of my mind. And if you really want to go deep into the rabbit hole, I have a subdomain on my website. It's one-on-one coaching. First hour is free, and we're gonna have 1 hour conversation of deep coaching with me, and we're gonna talk about whatever you struggle with and try to reprogram the mind together. So if you're curious to that, visit my website www.travelthroughImagination.com, and you can schedule a session there whenever you have time. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked, click the notification bell. Peace out. One love. That was just in time. Alright guys, see you on the other side.